Officer Dave, would you open the courtroom, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now.
What happened? Oh, man. I'm doing this again.
Judge, I'm ready.
All right, let's try it again, Officer Dave.
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi, Counsel. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. What file do you have today?
I have 22184985 GC, and that is,
Biomolecular versus City of Detroit?
yes, sir.
Okay, I think I have Mr. Patterson. We can get started.
Perfect.
985. Mr. Patterson.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning. I think we're all set to go. This is 22184985. Where'd my file go? Oh, here we go. Biomolecular Integrations Incorporated versus City of Detroit. Date and time for what appears to be the first pretrial on this PIP case. Your respective appearances.
Zainab Hamoud on behalf of plaintiff, Your Honor.
You remember the State Bar of Michigan?
Yes, I am.
You have a P number?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. It is
Share.
P85232.
Mr. Patterson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Again, Ben Patterson, behalf of defendant, City of Detroit, P number 85118.
Okay, the first question that I have, folks, is have we done our 2.302A disclosures?
Defendants have, Your Honor.
Ms. Hamoud?
Your Honor, I am subbing in for the main counsel. She is on vacation, so I am checking that right now. I'm not sure, Your Honor. I believe that she might have or maybe she didn't because there's been I know that I did see Benny request to consolidate, so I think she's trying to figure that out right now.
Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm wrong a lot, but what I heard you say is she might have and she might not have.
Yeah, I'm not, I'm looking it up as we speak, Your Honor.
All right. Two
Yeah.
things.
I'm sorry.
Three
Yeah.
things that you control in the courtroom: your punctuality, your professionalism, and your preparation. End of sermon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to order that the plaintiff make the 2.302A disclosures. I'm going to give you guys a new date, and then we can talk about where we are the next time we're perhaps a little more prepared to move forward on the file. Is there anything else we can accomplish today?
No, Your Honor, not on our end.
August the 18th at 10 o'clock will be our next pretrial.
Okay.
I know it's okay with you, Mr. Patterson. You have one at that time already.
I do.
Ms. Hamoud, does that work for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, August 18th, 10 o'clock. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What file are you here on today?
I am here on Modern Financial Services Corp. versus Teresa Moss.
Okay. I don't seem to see Ms. Moss at this time in my waiting room. So I'm going to put you back in the waiting room. She's in Pro Per, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't see her at this point. Got you checked in though. I have time for this. Ms. Schwartz,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. You've got Apps Care Pharmacy versus State Farm.
We do.
Okay, I'm looking for somebody from State Farm.
I talked to him just an hour ago, so I anticipate he'll be here.
What name did you talk to?
Ryan Bates?
Ryan Bates. I don't have a Mr. Bates here.
Oh, no, he told me a woman was covering it.
Albert Markham, does that sound right?
I'm sorry?
Markham, could that be the name?
It could be.
Let's try that name. I have somebody in my waiting room, but there's no identifying information, no P number, no. So let's see if that's that person. I'm not getting anything from this person. I don't have, hello? I don't have video and I don't have audio from this person.
I'm not sure.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. I'm gonna move on. I can't wait till.
Well, Your Honor, we did talk about it this morning, and we're waiting, I think, on a date for the motion for summary disposition and a motion for,
Motion concerning limitation of
yes,
time of trial.
exactly.
Well, I think, well, maybe this is this person coming now.
Ms. Markham?
No. All right, you filed a motion. You have two motions. And
Yeah, defense filed them. They're not mine.
Okay, I think what we should do is probably, if I could get this person here. This isn't working. Okay, I'm gonna put you both back in the waiting room. I'll get back to you. Sorry.
Okay.
Hello?
Good morning, Your Honor.
You're here for what file, ma'am?
ASP Cares Pharmacy.
Good, I have Ms. Schwartz. I think we have both sides, Ms. Schwartz. This is 21-164-260. SP Cares Pharmacy versus State Farm. Could I have your appearances, please? Ms. Schwartz, you're muted.
Oh, I thought I hit it. I apologize. Good morning, Your Honor. Rachel Schwartz on behalf of the plaintiff, P54947.
Good morning, Your Honor. Caitlin Gant, P85062 on behalf of defendant.
All right. We have two motions filed here. One of them seeks to exclude evidence, which is not really something I need to concern myself with at this point. But we also have a recent motion filed for partial summary disposition. That was filed on behalf of the defendant in this race. What's your motion about, Ms. Gant?
Your Honor, this motion is regarding the amounts that have been paid according to the network provider contract that we have requested from the plaintiff's counsel. We haven't received that yet.
Ms. Schwartz?
I'm sorry, you don't have the contract?
No, she says she doesn't have the amounts that were paid by the network contract.
Oh, they're in your motion. I think it says that there's $653 that would be due.
A copy of the agreement.
Oh, I don't know that I have that. I did tell Ryan this morning I was going to call my client and try to find out if they are agreeable that they're participating with this contract.
All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set this motion for partial summary disposition for hearing. I'll set you guys also for pretrial on that same date. Your next date will be August 18th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Ms. Schwartz?
No, I have two depositions that day.
All right, then we'll do it August 11th. Does that work for everybody?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Schwartz?
Yes, that should work. Thank you, Your Honor.
August 11th, 2022 at 10 a.m. We will hear the defendant's motion for partial summary disposition and have a pretrial. We can then, once we make decision there, we can figure out where we're going on the case, moving forward from there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else we can do today?
I don't think so. Thank you.
Okay, we'll send you guys a notice. Thank you for coming in. We're off.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Gray, good morning.
Good morning, Judge Robinson.
Ms. Kennedy?
Good morning, Judge Robinson.
Okay, I think you guys are on two separate files. Mr. Gray, you're on Citibank versus Anna Reed.
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't have your opponent as of yet.
Your Honor, we recently received a consent judgment Oh, you know what? No, we sent out, I guess we've come to an agreement. We drafted a consent judgment on 7/13. I'm not able to tell if we sent it out yet. I would like to think we sent it out by now. They set up a payment plan. Their first payment starts on July 28th. So
Okay.
we'd just be waiting to get our consent judgment back right at this point.
Check it out. Make sure you've actually sent it out. I'll get back to
Right.
you. Okay?
Okay,
I'll get back to you. I'll put you back in my waiting room.
okay, I'll be,
Ms. Kennedy, you're here on Earl Gray versus Park LLC.
Correct.
Okay, I don't have Mr. Gray as of yet. Put you back in
Okay.
the room as well.
Okay.
What is your name, ma'am? Hello? Hello?
Good morning.
What is your name?
Teresa Moss, Teresa J. Moss.
All right, hold on. Got Mr. Katz here.
Okay.
We are on the record. This is 22179-699 Modern Financial Services versus Teresa Moss. Date and time for pretrial, your appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Andrew Cates, P78292, standing in for the attorney of record, Rolanda Mason, and representing Modern Financial Services Corporation.
And what is your name, ma'am?
Teresa J. Moss.
Is it your intention to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes, sir. I had no money to have an attorney.
We have had a counterclaim filed in answer to the counterclaim. The court, we were last together on this file on this is our first pretrial. And on June 29th, court sent out an order for today's pretrial, opening a written discovery. Where are we on this file?
Your Honor, we don't really need any more discovery from the defendant. We are just asking that we get some time to file a motion for summary.
All right, Ms. Moss, is it your intention to do any written discovery?
Yes, I did do a written discovery.
When did you start? When did you send it out?
June 13th.
You couldn't have sent it out then because that might have been your answer. Written discovery is an opportunity for you to learn about the claims and defenses of the other side. It includes such things as notices for production of documents, requests for admissions, and interrogatories. I opened your ability to do those things on June 29th. Since then, I take it you've not done any. So what I'll do is I'll give you one more opportunity. If Mr. Cates is not interested in doing written discovery, I will give you folks another 30 days. If you have not done any written discovery, I will close written discovery at that point and we'll move forward.
Yes, sir.
So we'll give you guys another date. How about I have you guys back here August 18th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yes, sir.
That works for me, yeah.
Okay, then here's what we're going to do. Your written discovery will continue August 18th at 10 o'clock. will be our next pretrial. Is there anything else we can accomplish today?
I'm with you. I'm with what you have suggested, sir. Thank you.
Anything else we can accomplish today?
No, Your Honor, I believe that will cover everything.
We'll see you August 18th, at 10 o'clock. Thank you for coming in. We're off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe.
Thank you, Your Honor, sir.
Starting off, big bombshell piece of the performance is by the Landhaus Orchestra of Leipzig, conducting the violin soloist. This is a wonderful piece of concerto after its premiere in 1868. Taken up by all the great violinists, played so often that it pretty much overshadowed everything else that subsequently played. And again, you could not bear to hear it. Just off course. Cap it all off, books sold the book outright from the publisher. Money. Good morning, WRCJ FM and HD1 Detroit. One moment, sitting in again on this Thursday, coming up at 3 o'clock after date. 7. Three string jazz. 14 hours of classical music, 10 hours of jazz, each and every day, thanks to listeners of this radio station. WRCJ FM. Other forecast, beautiful morning, sunshine today with 3 degrees. There tonight, see a few clouds passing, stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. 7 degrees. Tomorrow, Friday, mostly sunny skies, 93 degrees. Friday night again, few clouds passing, with shower or thunderstorm possible. Saturday, we'll have intervals of clouds. Saturday night, expect partly cloudy skies early, and then thunderstorms should all. Gathered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Right now, This performance. We are on the record calling file 22-181-440. The file is entitled Citibank versus Anna Reed. Could I have your appearance, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Gavin Gray, P79819 for Citibank.
By a notice dated June 29th and sent out to the parties on that date, this matter is set for pretrial today, July 21st at 10 o'clock. It's now after 10:30. Plaintiff has appeared, defendant has failed to appear. No good cause that failure having been shown. The default of the defendant is hereby entered. Mr. Gray, I look forward to your motion for default judgment.
Your Honor.
Have a nice day and let's be safe.
Your Honor, if I may.
Sir.
Is it okay to kick it out 30 days and wait on the consent judgment?
Oh, I'm sorry. You told me that. I was thinking of another file. So you think?
Oh, yeah, I'm sure you got a lot going across your desk.
Well, let's kick it then. How about we come back on the 18th of August?
Okay.
Of course, if you have the consent judgment entry before then, you won't have to appear.
Okay, I just confirmed that it did receive approval this morning, so I would expect it to go out by the end of the day, Friday at the latest. Just depends on when our mailing department gets to it, but I would expect today or tomorrow at the latest.
And we'll go August 18th at 10 o'clock, Mr. Gray. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Be safe out there.
Yep.
We are on the record calling file number 22-185-444. The file is entitled Earl Gray versus Park LLC. By a notice dated June 27th, 2022, and sent to both parties on that date, this matter set for pretrial today, July 21st at 10 o'clock. It's now after 10:30. Could I have your appearance, please?
Tiffany Kennedy, P83019 on behalf of Defendant Park.
Plaintiff has failed to appear. No good cause for that failure having been shown. Matter is dismissed without prejudice. We'll send you out an order today, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe. Thanks for coming in. We're off the record.
Thank you.
No, it's from legal group. What am I looking for? Dr. Dave, along with I'm going to be giving away tickets next hour for lucky winner. We've got great music. It's 12 noon. We've got a PJ from Johann Sebastian Bach, Bach's lunch.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi, Counsel. How you doing today?
I am great. Thank you for asking, sir.
Who are you representing today?
I am representing Greenfield Collision, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me see if I have your other guy here. I have two people who are just identified with phone numbers.
Okay.
I think you got your phone number guy.
Sure. No worries, Your Honor.
Let's see. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Donald Collins.
Collins, you're on the phone in 214, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'll put the other person on. Waiting room. All right, we're ready to proceed. This is 2218098, Arredondo Collins versus Collision, your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow, PA 5907, appearing on behalf of Greenfield Collision.
And what is your name, sir?
Arredondo LaDon Collins.
All right. Gentlemen, before we go any further, I have an issue here. Someone delivered to me, and it appears to be from the Detroit Legal Group, a series of documents and some photographs from Mr. Collins. What's going on here?
Your Honor, I did submit some discovery as well, which has gone unanswered. But our argument is that this complaint is meritless, Your Honor.
No, that's not. All I'm trying to find out is why did you send me this information? This is discovery information that doesn't go to the court. I don't understand why it was sent to the court. That's what I'm asking.
Oh, I'm representing myself, Your Honor, and I really didn't know.
All right, so this is all sent from Mr. Collins. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the reason I'm asking that is in the upper left-hand corner, it says Detroit Legal Group.
Right. That's who sent me the papers. I'm like, what's going on? I didn't know whether to send it back to them, take it to them, or I didn't know. I was confused myself. I don't even know why it came from them, or
Your
who they
Honor,
are.
Your Honor, if I may.
Mr. Barrow, please enlighten us.
Sure, Your Honor. I did submit written discovery to the plaintiffs, which I believe that is what he sent to the court. They were sent to the plaintiffs to be answered, which they did receive, but it has gone unanswered. And we did file requests to admit on this matter as well and requests to produce. We haven't received anything from the defendants at this time.
All right, at this point, the file has, and it was dated, looks like July 22nd, so I guess it just came in today. I have what appear to be handwritten answers to your request to admit. And there seems to be some couple of documents attached there too. Mr. Collins, did you send copies of your answers to request to admit to the plaintiffs, to the other lawyer?
I believe we emailed them or faxed it to them. I definitely know we emailed it.
I have not received an email, Your Honor,
All right,
nor a fax.
okay, Mr. Collins,
Yes, sir.
if you are going to send something to the court, you must send copies to the lawyer for the other side. You cannot just merely communicate with the court. What I will do, Mr. Barrow,
Yes, sir.
is I will have my court clerk copy these documents and we will mail them to you along with notice of our next pretrial. Mr. Collins, if you want to represent yourself, you can, but you don't have your own set of court rules. Let's get you guys a date and get you on your way.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna have you guys with me next, August the 18th at 11 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
I have no objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Collins? Mr. Collins,
I couldn't hear the date.
August 18th, 11 o'clock,
Yes, sir.
okay?
The 18th.
Your Honor, may I just, for a moment, notify Mr. Collins that he can email me or call me for any potential
Okay.
resolution?
Let me stop right here.
Sure.
I'm gonna put you guys into a chat room and you can have whatever conversations you want.
Sure.
Want to be real careful about, remember, we're on the internet.
Right. I know. Thank you, Your Honor. You mentioned that last time as well. I'm still getting used to it.
Everybody forgets that. And now if you want everybody in the world to know your business, feel free. But I think probably the chat room will be better.
Sure.
August
Thank you.
18th, August 18th, 11 o'clock. We'll send you guys out a notice. I'm going to put you in the chat room now. When you resolve the matter, if you don't resolve the matter, then you're free to leave. If you resolve it, come back to me.
Sure. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's put you in the chat room.
You can send me that paperwork back. I
Oh,
will send you that and a lot more. Yes, sir, Your Honor.
what is your name?
Oh, this is still Arredondo Collins. You put us in a private chat. We still
Oh, you
talk.
guys still talking?
Yes, sir. So I didn't leave the Zoom yet. You told us to come back if we came to agreement.
Have you resolved the case?
No, sir.
Okay, then you go back to the chat room then. You can just
Okay.
hang up the phone.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Detail and send you a lot more. I got pictures of my car being on a lot. I done sent them 1,000 pictures of my car being on a lot. I done took a picture out there. I done been standing in their office and took a picture of my car. Well, we can leave Zoom. Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Williams, good morning. You have what case?
I am here on
FCA Chrysler?
yes, FCA Price versus Mario.
Yeah.
Vasquez. Yes.
I do not have your opponent as of yet,
Okay.
so I'll put you back in the waiting room.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. That's the waiting room. All right, so next I have Mr. Saloon. Mr. Saloon,
Good morning, Your Honor.
you've got Discover Bank versus Slotkin.
Correct, yes.
I don't have your opponent as of yet. Have you received any pleadings from her?
No, we didn't receive a response to the motion.
Okay, put you back in the waiting room for a couple of minutes, then we'll move forward.
Oh, thank you, Judge.
Now let's turn the music on.
Your Honor, for the record, William Saloom, P41487, appearing on behalf of plaintiff Discover Bank.
All right. Have you received any pleadings from the other side?
No, Your Honor, we have not.
No motion.
Regarding the motion, correct. Yeah. We have not received a pleading. This is a motion to reinstate the case. Do you want me to argue the motion, Your Honor?
Yeah, and let me tell you exactly why my problem is. I looked at your proposed, at your officer's attempts. He made 2 attempts. We typically require 3.
I see, Your Honor. Yeah, those are the 2 attempts that were a personal service on.
It was not 3. That's the point I'm making.
I understand.
So what I'm going to do, and I recognize that there appears to be a delay inside of the court, but had that delay not occurred, had the file come to me in a timely fashion, I would have denied the second summons because the standard, and it's for the 20 plus years I've been here, is 3 attempts. I don't know why he's only doing 2. So your motion is going to be denied. I'll send out an order to that effect. We require 3 attempts.
I understand, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's why I did. That's why I said it for hearing, because I wanted you to know that I recognize that there was a problem in my house. But even had I seen it timely, because your officer only made 2 attempts, the second summons would be denied anyway. I'll send out an order today, sir. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Off the record, you too.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. We are on the record. This is file number 22.
Sorry about that.
It's all right. 22-177-995. FCA USA versus Fiat Chrysler. Oh. Ms. Williams, I see the problem. This matter was set out for notice dated June 24th, 2022. There's an attorney who filed an answer on behalf of both defendants. For some reason or other, the notice of the pretrial was sent to Tiffany Williams and to the named defendant,
Okay.
and the lawyer. I'll have to send out another notice. This notice is defective.
No problem, Your Honor.
Does August 18th work for you at 11 o'clock?
Yes, it does, Your Honor. Yes.
Okay, it'll be August 18th at 11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, and I apologize for the court's error.
Oh, no problem, Your Honor. You take care.
Have a good day. Be safe.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.